morning everybody, or good evening, or good night, or whatever time you're watching this video. This video is a little different from my other videos because in this video I'm going to be talking about everything you need to know about being an influencer, how to be an influencer, what exactly to do, blah 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 blah. So in this video I'm going to be answering where to start, what to post for your first videos, how to get paid on YouTube, how to get paid on Instagram, how brand deals actually work, how to get more brand deals, how to increase your engagement, and how much you need to charge. So basically I'm going to be covering all of these topics today. Short, sweet, and simple answers. So you know what, without further ado, let's get right into the video. But first, make sure you follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button to get notified whenever I post. Now, where do you start? Basically, all you need is a phone if you don't have a camera. Sign up to YouTube, create an account, and get started. It's that simple. Yes, you can film with your iPhone. Now, a lot of people think that you need to have a camera, you need to have a mic, you need to have a good setup to actually start a YouTube channel, which is not true because I had 300k subscribers before I actually got a camera. I started working with brands way before I got a camera, and trust me, you could earn really good money. You could actually gain so many subscribers. It all depends on how you put your creativity together. It all depends on you. If I can do it with my iPhone 6s, my iPhone 8 Plus, and with iMovie, with just a small ring light, a cheap one, you can do it too. So all you need to get started is a YouTube channel and any device and something you could actually edit on, a laptop. What to post for the first few videos of your YouTube channel? Number one you need to remember is please do not post vlogs, because I promise you, people who don't know you on YouTube really don't care about your life, what you do in a life, what you eat in a day. Nobody really cares. What I would really recommend is doing challenges, reviewing challenges. That's exactly how I grew. I did so many challenges of famous YouTubers, famous fitness influencers, and that's exactly how I grew. Or just do trendy topics, you know. Vlogging does work, but first you need to give it a head start, a kickstart, and to do that you need to hit or gain a little bit of target audience. So you need to make videos that does not actually involve things in your life, because trust me, nobody really cares about you. Maybe they will, like after you have gained a few subscribers, after you've gained an audience, then you could do vlogs, but please do not start off with vlogs, because I promise you, nobody really cares. How to get paid on YouTube. Now, in order to get monetized on YouTube, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And when you monetize your channel, basically you will get an email from YouTube, and then blah 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 happens. But the initial threshold for actually getting monetized on YouTube is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. If you want me to explain a more in-depth version of how to actually get monetized on YouTube, please let me know in the comment section below, and I would love to do that in a separate video because that's a little longer. But for now, for this question, this is it. And how you usually get paid on YouTube is that you don't get paid per view or for how many subscribers you have. You get paid per view on the ad that is placed on your video. Now if you have a video that is 10 minutes or longer, you could place multiple ads, but now I think it's like 7 to 8 minutes. But if you have a short video, you'll only be able to place one ad, and that is one of the reasons that a lot of YouTubers have videos for more than 10 minutes, so that they could put multiple ads, and so that means basically earning more revenue. So basically, if you have more ads in your videos, your viewers are more likely to click on those ads by mistake, or they actually want to view your video. Or if you have fewer ads, you're gonna get less revenue. But trust me, when you're putting your ads, don't put too many ads that your subscribers just feel like running away. How to get paid on Instagram. Now, Instagram does not directly pay their users, but you do get paid on Instagram for posting a brand, but that too not directly through Instagram, but basically companies are going to pay you to post a story or a post on your Instagram feed. So once again, Instagram is directly not going to pay you, although that is actually changing pretty soon. But yes, no influencer actually gets paid on Instagram directly through Instagram. they do get paid for posting on Instagram through other companies. For example, if I post a picture with a brand, I'm most likely getting paid for it. So that's basically how you get paid on Instagram. So if you want to be like an Instagram influencer, that is the only way at the moment, is working with brands and getting paid to post their clothes or reviewing their products on your stories or your feed. How do brand deals actually work? Now this is quite interesting because there are actually two ways. The first one is the easy way, which I personally love. It's like so freaking easy, no stress, nothing. So basically what you do is you talk with the company, you ask them what they want, what exactly they're expecting out of you, and then you give your rate, how much you want to charge. Now it depends if you're doing an integration or dedicated video. Integration is actually like 2-minute ad in the video, like you're talking about the product for like 2 minutes. Dedicated video is when the entire video is based on that particular product. The dedicated video price will actually be much higher. And then after you have filmed the video and edited the video, you send the video to the company and they will approve the video right before posting it. Basically, you get paid after approval and before you post it, so between that times. And the second one is the one that I don't really like. The company reaches out to you, y'all talk, y'all negotiate. Basically, you talk to each other and then they send you a contract. And usually when you're signing contracts, especially with agencies, you get paid 30 to 45 days after you have posted the video. So that's something I don't like, because there have been issues with working with companies like that who paid 30 days later, because sometimes they forget, they lose the invoice, and then you don't get paid for the hard work that you put in. So I like to do prepayment brand deals because I'm not about to stress over, you know, contracts and blah blah blah. How much to charge? Now this all depends on how many views you're getting and how many subscribers you have, or how many followers you have. Now I have seen influencers who have less subscribers than me charging way more than they should be, and that's one of the reasons they don't get a lot of brand deals, because if your prices are too expensive, they're not going to work with. Companies are not going to want to work with you because your prices are way too expensive. Like for example, if your price is like $1,000 per Instagram story, and then there's another influencer who's charging $500 and another influencer who's charging $500, and they have two different audience targets, obviously they're gonna pick the other two and not you. So try to keep your prices reasonable, but also try to keep your prices and rates, you know, good. Like you need to charge what you deserve, the hard work. I remember I used to charge $99 for a brand deal, and oh my goodness, that is so less. I can't believe I actually did that. Now I'm charging way more than that. My prices go from $700 to $1,500 because I'm putting in the work, I'm putting in a lot of hard work. Editing brand deals are extremely hard, and you need to follow all the guidelines, you need to follow all of the things that they want, you need to remember lines, you need to make sure you cover everything that they want, and you have to redo the video, sometimes the entire video, and it's a lot of hard work. So make sure it's worth it. Do not accept any brand deals that's less than what you deserve. Whenever a company tries to mention anything below $700, I'm just like, I'm not even gonna reply because it's not worth my time. Sometimes I do try to negotiate with them and I tell them, you know, for $500, I could post an Instagram story if you want me to, because I'm not working for anything, this and that. And then we try to negotiate. Sometimes if it's a startup business or if it's like something that really needs support, yes, I would settle down for that price. But if it's a big company, if it's a huge brand and they want to be cheap, I'm like, oh hell no, I increase the price way more than that. If you're around 100k and if you're getting good views like 50k and blah blah blah, I would definitely recommend $200 for an integration. But if your views and engagement are more, you could definitely charge up to $500. And as you grow, you could increase your price, but try to keep it reasonable. Don't jump to 1,000 all of a sudden. Trust me, agencies talk. These brand deal agencies, they do talk and they do exchange influencers like, hey, we worked with this and blah 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 blah. It happens. So you know, you need to have a good reputation in the industry. So make sure that you have reasonable prices so that you could be loved by agencies and you could get more brand deals. How to keep engagement. Now this one is being more consistent, and number two is you need to connect with your followers, you need to talk to them, you need to understand them. Now I know sometimes the more you grow it gets harder. Like before I used to reply to every single comment, but now that I'm getting so many comments every single day, it is so hard for me to reply to every single comment. If I try, I would sit on my laptop or phone for like 4 hours. So basically those were my answers, and if you have any other questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, please engage with this video. I would really love that. Share it with your friends and follow me once again. And yeah, that's it for this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.